Just the two of us building castle in the sky. Just the two of us.
Early morning, birds are singing as I walk this quiet trail. Feel the breeze upon my shoulders. Nature shows the way. Each step forward leads me home. Every path shows something new. Each step forward leads me home, and I'm growing strong and true. Finding my way, breathing in the morning stillness, learning what it means to be. In this moment I've discovered simple joy sets me free. Each step forward leads me home. Every path shows something new. Each step forward leads me home, and I'm growing strong and true. Finding my way. Each step forward leads me home.
Çenebazlar grubu. Bu grup çok konuşuyor. Bunlar bizi beklemiyorlar, gidiyorlar. So this is the whole group.
Beni çekme lütfen.
Tamam, çekmiyorum. Git o zaman. Evet, video.
Go away my anxiety, etc. In the meantime, when I feel energy, I do some study on this.
Ya çok fazla.
Lunch break. So
because
tiredness. Everybody's tired.
difference, yeah. They're always blue sky.
And the last two. Three? Yes, last three. Yes, last three. Last four. Linda is running now. Run, Linda, run, run, run.
But this is Dagestan
Bir köpek daha katıldı bize. Nereden geldi bilmiyoruz. Burada öğlen yemeğimiz olacak. So we will have a lunch here. Nice view. Ne yapıyorsun Linda? Yürüyüşün keyfini Linda çıkarıyor. Oraya koşuyor, buraya koşuyor. Şimdi öndekilere doğru. Tamam.
Videolara gidip de popüler olmak istemiyorum.
So this means follow this route. Like this. Açı 60 derece arkadaşlar. Ama manzara da muhteşem. Ve grubun sonuncuları kekik toplarken geç kaldılar. Linda sürekli kontrol ediyor bize. Linda. Evet. Yes. Our guard dog.
Young dog.
Okay.
She's young.
Yes, 2.5 years old. Yes, she's young. We are old.
We are here. We are very old. But as I say, my friend who is 70 years old, when I ask her, how old are you? She says, still young.
Always still young. Because the brain always young. So the body has no meaning.
I know somebody who says, I'm old enough to buy my drink.
Yeah.
So what?
I'm old enough to buy my own drink.
Yeah. A British lady, right? What? Nice flower.
Yeah.
How
Very
I miss
nice.
it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Smells weird.
Okay, you did it, don't.
Buradan inmek biraz sorun. Şuradan şöyle iniyoruz. Yabani çiçekler güzel.
Çok bunlar bizde bir
How nice.
Dikkat yolu üzerine girerken kuleye, Fener Kulesi'ne doluydu orman bunlarla dolu. Yaban
Dikkat
ot.
kulesi.
Şahıs çok kaybolmaz böyle.
Yani birisi tabii deneyimli birisi kaybolan şahsı bulup getirir de yine de kaybolmamak daha iyi. Çam sakızı. Çoban orman dedikleri arkadaşlar çam sakızı bu. Yakından görebilir miyiz? Bir tane kameraya uzatır mısınız? Kameralar oynamadan.
It will be our snack.
Is it really çam sakızı?
Yeah,
Yeah.
This part is so fresh.
Look like a shit.
It's tasty.
Linda sürekli bizi takip ediyor. Yorulduk. Tired.
I see the crystal raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all. And then in the sun comes shining through, to make those rainbows in my mind. When I think of you sometime, and I wanna spend some time with you, just the two of us. We can make it if we try, just the two of us. Bam bam da 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 dam bam. Just the two of us, building castle in the sky. Just the two of us, you and I. Sa ba da bam ba da, ta da 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 da, ta da da bam ba da, ram ba fa fa.
Walking down these winding paths with you, green leaves dancing as we make our way through. Can't believe we made it here at last, leaving all our worries in the past. The breeze is getting stronger now, so they're showing us how to break free. Just you and me, where forests meet sea. That's where I wanna be. Where forests meet sea. You're running wild with me. Where forests meet sea. Nothing to hold us back. We're free. Pine needles crunch beneath our feet. Every step brings us closer to the beach. Can you hear the waves crash up ahead? Following where this clean air led. The trees are fading out now. Ocean's roar makes my heart pound. Breaking free, just you and me. Where forests meet sea. That's where I wanna be. Where forests meet sea. You're running wild with me. Where forests meet sea. Nothing to hold us back. We're free. Sand between our toes, wind in our hair. Everything I need is right there. When you're here with me, this perfect place. Where forests meet sea. Coming alive. That's where I wanna be. Feel so alive. Where forests meet sea. Coming alive. You're running wild with me. So alive. Where forests meet sea. Forever alive. Nothing to hold us back. Nothing to hold us down. We're finally free. Finally free. We're forest meets sea, that's where I'll always be. Walking down these winding paths with you.
They are getting crazy.
Green leaves dancing as we make our way through. Can't believe